By following a few simple tips, you can produce broadcast quality footage using your smartphone camera. In this video, we will be looking at framing. If you are filming an interview, the subject should be in the left or the right third of the frame, looking and talking to the interviewer on the other side of the camera. Make sure you leave enough headroom above the subject and stand or sit them at least 6 to 10 feet away from the background. You can use the grid lines on your camera phone as a guide. Check that the vertical line is down the center of the head and the top horizontal line passes through the eyes. If your subject is talking directly to the audience, place them in the center of the screen, looking directly into the camera. Always use a tripod when filming static subjects. Set the camera height at eye level to the subject and make sure your subject is well lit. Use natural light wherever possible. If you are filming inside, place your subject facing a window. In our next video, we will explore ways to make pieces to camera more dynamic and interesting.